under his legs. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna hold the belt, okay, and put the guy on my lip. Like this, okay? Now, hand to hand, okay? Just choose one side, whatever I want. Press the button. Here, control the belt, okay? Go to my left, hand to hand, just choose one side, whatever I want. Important tip here, okay? Once I'm here, the guy's controller, okay? He can escape now. But when I'm doing the pass and grab, the guy can do the sweep I told you yesterday. If he can push my elbow here, I don't want to do that, okay? I want to avoid that. So, on the left, when I do the pass body here, okay? I have to be quick. You see how I hide my elbow, okay? Don't have the elbow here, okay? 1, 2, and pass. That's better.
Sir, sorry. The squares better this or this?
Both good are good, okay? I prefer in this movement like this.
Okay.
But both is okay.